it's Melissa with WTI. I want to share with you why I love this macadamia healing oil spray. I use it after the shower, and it is really something that I have found to defrizz my hair. My hair likes to frizz in humidity, and I live in a lot of humidity, and so this is important for me to have a good hair day. So one of the things that I like about it is that it's just a spray. It's a very light mist that goes on top of your hair, easy to distribute throughout your hair. One of the other things that I really enjoy is how light the scent is. You can use it with different types of perfumes that you have, and it blends well. My husband will also use it, so it's not overly floral, the scent. This is something that my whole family enjoys. We all have different hair textures. Everybody benefits from it. It puts shine in our hair. I really enjoy it. My family really enjoys it, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.